Hi, I am a couple days late on my November favorites, but better late than never, right? I have gathered up the things that I have been loving the past month, and here we go. Let's just get started right away. I know I'll be asked, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, but I forgot to bring it down here. I'm so sorry, I can't even remember the name of it. But on my nails is another shade of the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. Love this stuff, love this color. It's absolutely stunning. I think it's just a beautiful color. I've been wearing it a lot in November. I'll be going more toward probably a red in the next few weeks because of Christmas. And then the rest of the winter, I usually go with something like this. So I will list the color somewhere here or down below, both, and you'll know what that is if you're interested. But I love this color. I think it's beautiful. And this stuff is so easy to use. Love it. Okay, here's something that I don't normally go for, but I think it's fantastic, and for some reason it's really doing it for me. I bought this pair of velvet Spanx leggings. They're by the brand Spanx, but they are leggings. They are velvet, and they are amazing. I love them. I can totally see, I have worn them a couple times so far. I'm not really a velvety kind of person too much, but worn, for me anyway, worn with a tunic, you know, covers everything, and some like flat boots usually, because I don't know if I would feel a little too snazzy doing it with heels or whatever, but you do you. It would be fabulous. But yeah, velvet leggings. Who would have thought that I would love these? They look cute with knee-high boots, like my knee-high black boots. Just adore these, and they're so comfortable, and being Spanx, they suck you in and make you look good. So I highly recommend these. Grab these while you can, because I think they'd be perfect for the rest of the month and into New Year's. Can you imagine putting some sparkly, wonderful, cute top, like tunic-y top over this with some like black ballet flats and these leggings? Oh my gosh, adorable. Grab those. Very nice. Love them. It's getting cold, and we have all our cozy stuff happening right now. And one cozy thing that I love to have, and I discovered these, I know you probably have eons ago, but I wanted to mention them in case you haven't. If you have a K-cup, you know, Keurig kind of machine that works with K-cups, these Starbucks Classic Hot Cocoa K-cups, oh my gosh, so simple, so easy. Seriously, in the evening, you're getting ready to start watching a movie or something, and you're curled up in your blanket, pop one of these in and sip some hot chocolate. Great for your kids. You're putting in your coffee K-cup. You can give them a cup of hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, and they're really, really good. So I do highly recommend these, and these will be something that I purchase throughout the winter, I'm sure. Another food-related item that I discovered at Costco. I am really enjoying these. They are the Orchard Valley Harvest Salad Toppers, glazed pecans with dried sweetened cranberries and pepitas. They are so good. It's sort of a largish bag, obviously. It's from Costco. Everything's big there. But they are just so, so good. You throw just a little bit of these onto any salad that you put together, and I'm telling you, it's like all of a sudden it feels like you just, you know, it tastes like you got a salad from a nice restaurant. Something about this combination, just with kind of like a sweet added, you know, salty sweet kind of a thing thrown on there, would get some crunch, get some chewiness from the dried cranberries. I don't know, loving this, especially with, I do spinach, red onion. Let me think this through. Spinach, red onion, either feta or blue cheese crumbles, this, and a vinaigrette. You feel like you just had a salad at a world-class spa. Wonderful. So anyway, highly recommend those. Look for those next time you're at Costco. This is an item that I purchased for my giveaway when I did the video on the Sephora event about the upcoming kits and things for the holidays. And I bought one and I gave it away. Hi, sweetheart, who got this one. And I then bought one for myself because I thought it was so adorable and so wonderful, and I use beauty blenders all the time. And so I got one for myself, and I've been using it, and I just think this is a fantastic idea. I love it. I think it's just adorable. So this beautiful set, whether you're getting it as a gift for someone or for yourself, is worth it. The cost per beauty blender makes it so economical if you're already a beauty blender user. You could split this up into 4 different kits, whichever way you want to do it. Here's the kind of the picture-y thing. You get 4 beauty blenders and 4 little individual soaps to go with them to clean your beauty blender. So if you change your beauty blender out several times a year, you've got your year's worth right here. And it is absolutely adorable to have a different color too. I just think it's great. And like I said, this can either be for yourself to grab so you're set for the year and you have fun with it, or to give as a gift, or even for gifts. I highly recommend this, and I love it. And I have been using mine like crazy this past month. This item is an indulgence, but it is amazing. These Emile Cordon lip balms are so good. I love this one. This happens to be number 29 Doreen Nerolian Lemon Leaves. It's called the Cashmere On Lip Pot. So it does come with a little scoop, but basically it's just so darn good. I love putting this on first thing in the morning and right before I go to bed at night. Lips, it's so moisturizing. It's so emollient. Your lips feel really good. It gives them this almost like a sheen too. It's almost like you have something more on your lips than just your average kind of a balm or whatever, but I mean, there's no color to these. It's just a lip balm and they are just amazing. The scent is outstanding and made with amazing ingredients. So I have been loving this for a year or more. And recently, the company Emile Cordon just sent me several more. They have some new things called the Miracle Lip Balm. I wanted to share those with you too, because I know I love this one so much. I'm anxious to try these and I will be giving one of these away too. Okay, first of all, we have the Miracle Lip Balms that are just no color to them. They're just a balm and it's the same type of thing. This one's Mandarin Garden. So they come in a box like such, and they do come with a little spatula that you can use to get this out so you don't have to dip your finger in it. I started with the spatula and ended up dipping, so I use it myself. I'm okay with that. I use it with clean hands, so you do you, but it does come with a little spatula. And this one is, like I said, called Mandarin Garden, and this is one of the miracle balms made with kukui nut oil and almond oil and vitamin E, moisturizing and nourishing, and it repairs any issues you have going on there. I love this stuff. I'm so happy to give these a try too. Mandarin Garden, and I got a Moroccan mint. Very, very excited about that. These are a little bit different. They're also miracle lip balms, but they have a tint to them and they're kind of a 2-in-1. Okay, let me show you the Chic Chic Boom. I've played with this one. Okay, this is the color. It's very sheer but buildable, so you can build it up to more color, but in general it's very sheer to start with. And you can see I've dug into this a bit and given this a try. Just a sheer wash of color with your balm, and it also works on the cheeks as a light cheek tint or Chic Chic Boom color. It's beautiful. It's just really, really nice and pretty buildable, really light and sheer. Then again, you can build the color up. And you just have this light wash of this beautiful color on your lips, and you can add it to your cheeks too. You can just give it a quick little, and just blend that in. What a nice idea. Fabulous to keep in your bag for that very reason. Yeah, really enjoying that. And then this one, the Powdered Rose, I will be giving to one of you. Down below, you'll see how you can enter to win that one. This one, it does also come with a little scoop. And here's the color, Powdered Rose. Isn't that beautiful? I have not opened this because I don't want to mess with the integrity of it. So yes, this one will be one of yours, Powdered Rose. Look down below to see how you can possibly win that one if you're interested. Another item I mentioned recently in my gifts for her video, I have been using a lot and loving, and it is the Chanel Le Beiges, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, the medium set of the eyeshadow palette. These neutral, everyday, wear all the time kind of colors. Wearing this today, it's just so easy. They blend like a dream. Love them. They do kick up a little bit of, powder when you place your brush in there, but nothing unreasonable. But there is some of that kick up sort of stuff, but they just, I mean, it is amazing how well they blend. They really, really do. And the brushes that come with them, I keep in my drawer because I use my normal makeup brushes with them. But if you want to keep this with you in your purse or whatever, as you go about your day for touch-ups, absolutely perfect for that because those little brushes do work. So I am really enjoying this and have been ever since I purchased it. Here's something that I have been using for the last like 3 or 4 weeks that is so not me. But I'm really enjoying it. And I think it's more of a holiday thing and that'll be the end of it for me, but I can see where this would be something a lot of women would love to have at all times. Anyway, I don't know what got into me, and I wanted to try the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. What? Who am I, right? Basically, this color specifically is a clear background and with sparkle on top, and it's glittery. I mean, there's glitter bits and stuff really, but it's not too much that I feel like an idiot, okay? It shows up much more on top of like a shadow color. I have this mirror over here. Let's just go crazy. Okay, so here's my eyes, right? If I wanted to add this, what I would do is I would just, and this is what I have been doing, I just put a little bit like in this inner half right there. And I just tap it on gently, just in that little area. No biggie. You can add more if you want. The color that you have on your eye already shows through. It just adds some sparkle, and it's not so much that when you're talking to someone that's all they see. You could, may as well do the other side, so now that you know, so I'm not complete looking like a fool the whole rest of the day. But yeah, that's what I do, and it dries comfortably. It doesn't feel wet and goopy and strange on your eyes. You can easily do it as an inner corner, or you can add some sparkle to the sides of your eyes here. But it's subtle as far as sparkle goes. Yes, you get up close and personal and you see that there is sparkle on the eyelids, but it's not bad. I like it, and for some reason I mean, when you're looking at someone normally, you don't, you know, but with the blink or the catching of the light, I don't know. I just decided I wanted to use it, and I have been, and I've been loving it, and no one has, you know, looked at me funny since. So yeah, I don't know, loving it. I really am. It feels good. It lasts forever because it's a liquid form and it dries on your eyes comfortably. It's not going to fall down on your face. So if you want your glitter wherever you want to put this to stay put, this is your friend, and you can put it on your shoulders. I don't know. I just think it's gorgeous. So yeah, who knew? This item is something that I don't even know why I decided to try. I have a feeling it's because it's so cute and it looked so usable, and in general, I love It Girl cosmetics. Love them. I did have a bit of a problem with the last It Girl palette that I tried. It just didn't seem to be, I don't know, it just didn't work well for me. So I'm kind of surprised I tried this one, but I'm really enjoying it, and I love how it's compact and it's just beautiful. It's the It Girl beauty book, this year's beauty book. Last year I wanted to get it and I didn't get it in time. It had silver sparkles. This is more of a rose gold sparkly cover, but it's a really nice size, you know? So it gives you an idea. This is a plus, by the way. So it gives you the idea of what size this is. And it's got so much in it. So basically, without going crazy, I'll just run through what it's got here. You've got different concealer colors, which you could also use as contour depending on your shades of your face. This is the Bye Bye Pores Translucent Setting Powder. This is the Bye Bye Pores Bronzer in Honey Glow. And you can see it's a bit gradient, where it's a little lighter here, more medium here, and darker down at the bottom. So you could choose your areas pretty well here. You open it up another page and you have these 3 lip colors at the top. I've tried these 2 so far. I've not tried this one. I love those 2. Pure Joy and Pure Bliss are their colors. I love these 2. And here we have a gradient cheek color called Je ne sais quoi. And again, you can go lighter toward the top or darker. And I like how this one is more gradient, whereas my other one just didn't seem to work that well. Very pretty. And then you have a highlight in Brilliant, and it is beautiful. It really is a very beautiful color. Enjoying that a lot. And you can kind of close it up and use whatever page, so to speak, that you're working with, or you can just open the whole thing up. Here we have the eye colors. Okay, this is the Superhero Eye Foundation. So if you put this on all over the lid, that just kind of evens everything out before you even start with the colors. And the colors, as you can see, there's nothing blinding, outstanding, or, you know, crazy about them. They just are those everyday things where you take this with you on a trip for 10 days and you could use every one of those and come up with different, you know, different ideas and different ways of making them look. So I think that's kind of perfect. Down here we have a brow powder and a liner. And this can also be used to darken up any of your eye colors there, your eye looks. And then a nice mirror here. So this is the entire beauty book. My lighting is weird today. I'm so sorry. There, maybe that's helpful. And how easy is this to just kind of pop, 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 take it with you, and it's so, so cute. So I am really, really liking this. I've used it quite a few times. I enjoy how it works. I'm loving the colors, and I think you can't go wrong. So I have been loving this. And then lastly, I have been reading like crazy. Every chance I get, I want to jump to my book. And I have a list so long of the books that I've read lately, and I keep thinking I'm going to put together some sort of a video, but yeah, it's just difficult. But the 2 that I've read recently that have really stood out to me are these 2. First off is The Glass Ocean. I'll show a picture. I really enjoyed this book. This one stood out to me as one of my favorites. I really enjoyed this book more than I thought I would. If you're a fan at all of like the Titanic and love stories and generational type things, you will really enjoy this. You're following basically 3 women, one from the present and a couple from the past, and how the fate of the Lusitania just sort of changed everyone's worlds, and it's kind of a mystery, and it's a love story, and it's just kind of, it's very, very interesting. So I do highly recommend The Glass Ocean. Also, I really enjoyed the book called The Orphan's Tale. Now this one, it's just different. I really liked how different it was. It had to do basically with World War II and a couple friends, and there was, you know, there's an orphaned baby involved. There is a woman who's trying to hide from the Nazis during the war as a circus performer, and because she is Jewish, so she's trying to hide from the Nazis. It's just, there's intrigue, there's again love story. I mean, it's taking place in a circus during the war. I mean, come on. Have you read any books like that? I like it when there's something different. It's not like the same book over and over, but yet it has those same elements. So I really, really enjoyed this book, The Orphan's Tale by Pam Jenoff. Loved it, and highly recommend that one. So anyway, I have tons more too. I just love to read. So that's it with my November favorites. It's already December, so I know this month is already going really, really fast. It's filled with all sorts of fun, joy, festivities, and fun. I love December. We're already into Hanukkah. Christmas is around the corner. We have New Year's happening. So much fun to be had this month, and I'm all very, very excited about it. So thank you so much for joining me this time. I hope you have a fantastic December, and I will be seeing you probably before you know it with my December favorites. Thank you guys. Bye.